Hello everybody. How are you? What are you wearing? Where are you? What are you doing? What are you thinking about?
I'm comfortable. I'm sitting back pretty and waiting.
Welcome to a new episode of Bobby Boyd Living, where I change your life one meal at a time. And if I don't change your life, I make you spit out your cocktail.
You guys are talking?
Get ready, sit down, get ready to throw your shade at me. I'm making you something that you've probably all had or you thought about having. If you're like myself, you found yourself waking up perhaps on a Sunday morning and you just want that yummy breakfast sandwich. Where you wake up, and I'd always go with my girlfriend at the time, we'd go to the McDonald's drive-thru window, I'd get a quarter pounder with cheese, super size, McFlurry, M&M flavor. Then the McGriddle came out. The McGriddle came out, right? Which is, instead of having the English muffins as like your little sandwich holders, it was the pancake, right? The little pancake that looked like the English muffin. And then you have the breakfast sausage, and then you have the American cheese, and then you have the egg, right? It's a McGriddle, and then you drizzle it with more syrup. Ding, 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 ding. I'm going to show you how you can make a McGriddle at home. Grab your man, grab your woman, grab your dog. As long as your own dog, don't be a dog snatcher like Josh, stealing Tracy's dogs.
Escape from Alcatraz.
And let's go. So without further ado, let's get started. You need your bowl. 3/4 cup of milk. I use whole milk, but you can also use buttermilk if you like. 1 large egg. Wow, I know. She already had hers.
I was coming from the club. Somebody had come up to pick up a bag, but it actually didn't belong to them. This girl said, no. Sheena already done had hers. And of course, I've, taken that to the bank.
Whisk it together. Yeah, it's looking about right. Now, I'm gonna pop this tablespoon of butter, because you want it melted in the microwave, for 20 seconds. Open, open, open. Wow, slippery. We need a cup of this buttermilk. Gorgeous. Now, put it in, and because I have a sweet tooth, just a smidge.
I thought vanilla extract was bitter.
What? No, it's like a concentrated sweetener.
No way.
Bitter? Gonna taste it. Okay, that's a bitter taste. All right, whisk it together. Ooh.
Oh!
That was some for Pablo Escobar, one for the homies. Okay, now you need a tablespoon of your melted butter. There we go. Okay. This is the hardest part, I think. All right, that's our batter. Jimmy Dean. That just made somebody go, oof. Remember, it's McDonald's, folks. Oh, see, I said McDonald's, he comes running. Let's just put that there. Okay. Fantastic. Here's what I'm gonna show you. This thing is your hack. This is what's gonna help you make the McGriddle to it. If you have a griddle, you can set the temperature to 350 degrees and it will stay there. Mine's not working, so we're gonna use a flat skillet. And the reason why I say that is you kind of have to remove it off the heat, which you're gonna see, because if you don't wanna burn the pancake, and you don't wanna overcook the egg. So it's a lot of magic.
And magic.
Put your little burner on. I'm gonna put it on medium. I'm gonna use avocado oil because it has a high smoke point, a little contraption, so you put that right there. Now the reason why you're doing this, and yes, it looks like I'm using a lot, you're oiling the sides of the mason jar top. So the pancake just comes out of it, the egg will just come out of it. Okay, take your ladle, just gonna do a little bit. Take your syrup. Okay, starting to bubble. Yeah, that's looking about right. All right. Perfect. Yes! Oh, that smells good. There we go. Oh yeah, you want that sizzle. Go. Let those cook. Now you take the cheese. Your egg is looking good. Just like that. So in true McDonald's form, and then you put your, you know, they have those little packets of syrup that come warm. So you do the same thing. And now it's time for the breakdown. Never gonna get it, never mind. Now it's time to taste it. So we're gonna cut into it. Jason, come on. Right there. This isn't rocket science. We know this is gonna taste good, right? It's a pancake, it's sausage, it's cheese, it's syrup. What do you want me to say?
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
I'm loving it. Wow, look at this little fella. This is better than McDonald's. This is amazing. I hope you try it and you send me pictures. That's kind of it. Hit the like button, you comment, subscribe, you ring the bell for notifications. We all know why. That's all I have for you this week. That's it. Just a little McGriddle from home, from your homeboy, from your bra. Until then, I love you mucho. Bye-bye.